This is,
cool,
it was
the
Miguel's
Oliveira
crash.
Oh, fast one for Oliveira at turn 9. That's where Marini went down in FP4. That's a second-hand KTM RC16.
Oh, nasty, nasty crash there for the race winner last year. That's so
that
fast.
Is rapid. That is rapid. Just look at the momentum and velocity he goes into the gravel. Carbon copper. What's happened to Oliveira? Here he is.
Something must be going wrong. Because the lap before that he was doing a 1:43, so what on earth happened there?
Now Vinales, the temperature has not got to above, well, double figures, 10 degrees, and that's a classic example. Miguel Oliveira, turn 3. How many riders have bitten the dust at turn 3 so far this weekend? It's the most treacherous corner on the MotoGP calendar. 2019, it was the most...
Positie, daar zou ook nog wel het een en ander kunnen gebeuren. Dit is vanaf de zijkant geschoten. En dan daar ligt... daar komt daar... Oh ja, je kunt geen
Het zijn nooit de eerste motors.
Oliveira. Oh, it's turn 11 for Miguel.
QT. Let's see what happened then to Brad Binder. Yeah, that was complete like a temperature. Oh,
It's close.
nearly got run over there by Danilo Petrucci. Not a rider you really want to get run over by either. That's one of the slowest tip-offs that you'll see. That could have been really dangerous, that. He's got back up though, and he has made it back into
the grandstands for the Miguel Oliveira fans. Now then, let's see what happened here. This is at turn 13, Lecuona and Miguel Oliveira.
Lecuona's wiped out Miguel Oliveira, and then they've got trapped in the motorcycle as well. Nasty little incident there into turn.